Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reassign buttons on ROG Keris to ACE. To reassign buttons, in the Armoury Crate, go to Buttons, then you can just click on the button that you want to reassign. For example, let's reassign the right button, and you can assign it to a mouse function, keyboard function, a macro if you have any created, multimedia, Windows shortcut, launch Armoury Crate, preset, input text, screenshot, stealth, copilot, or disable that button. So I'm gonna set it as keyboard function, then choose the keyboard layout, and then on your keyboard, press on the key that you want to use as the assigned function. So I'm gonna click on the left Windows key, and now whenever I click on the right mouse button, it opens the start. And that's how you reassign it. You can also click on reset and click on OK, and then they will be back to default. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.